In this video, I want to talk to you guys about how I finally got rid of my acne. I feel like I've had acne my whole life, since I was a teenager, and I'm now 33, so it's been like 3 decades, you know, since I've been battling acne, and I finally found a routine that works for me at 33. And I'm so happy to share the changes that I've made, the routines that I've, implemented in my, skincare routine that works for me, and I want to share that with you guys. The road has been long, so I want to say to anyone that is trying to resolve their acne problem to not get discouraged, because you will find a routine if you don't give up, And also another thing that I want to say is to focus on one issue at a time. For example, when I really got serious with managing my acne, the first thing that I focused on at first was getting rid of new breakouts. So I feel like it makes sense to dry out my pimples and figure out how to get rid of them altogether and stop the possibility of new pimples, because then the less pimple you have, the less scar you will end up with. If you don't have any pimples, then you won't have any scars or any acne spots or dark spots and things like that. So once you're done figuring out how to get the pimples to stop coming, then the dark spots that you already have, the scars that you already have, then you can start working on them. A little bit about my skin is it's oily. I do have hormonal breakouts every month. It used to be a lot more. Now I still have them, but it's very minimal. My skin is not really sensitive. It is acne prone. It's hyperpigmented, and also I get dark spots from my pimples. So if you have some of these characteristics as my skin, you can go ahead and continue watching this video, because I'm going to talk about the lifestyle changes that I've made, and also I'm going to share my skincare routine with you guys. So first, let's talk about the lifestyle changes that I've made. The first thing that I did was I stopped eating dairy completely. Milk, yogurt, cheese, cream cheese, any dairy, and also eggs. I know eggs is not typically a dairy product, but I stopped eating eggs as well. I use alternatives like plant-based cheese. I don't eat yogurt anymore because I couldn't find a good alternative for yogurt. And milk, I drink oat milk. Oat milk is a good alternative for me. Another change that I've made is more water. I've gotten really serious with drinking and being faithful with drinking a lot of water. I know you've heard that so many times, and the reason why you hear it so much is because it works. So your skin needs the water, your inside needs the water, because you can't just do things on your skin and not take care of the inside. Whatever is the health is on the inside will show on your skin on the outside. So it's very important to make these changes in conjunction to whatever product that you put on your skin. Another lifestyle change that I made is I started drinking collagen. Collagen is very good for your skin, very good for your nails, very good for your hair, very good for your protein in your body. It helps you restore your body. It helps restore your skin, make it glow more. And at 33, you start losing protein and collagen, and I'm just like slowly degrading, and I'm just gonna start drinking collagen to help out with the loss of all of these things that we had when we were in our 20s. So it is what it is, right? Okay, the last thing that I've done, the last change that I've made is I now have silk pillowcases. They're so soft. So this is what I sleep on now. I have a bunch of them, and just gotta make sure that you wash them every few days, or at least every few days you have to wash them, because if dead skin is on them and things like that. So this is another thing that I've done. So now we're gonna move on with my skincare routine and on how I wash my face and the products that I use. And stay tuned. First things first, make sure you wash your hands. Make sure your hands are clean before you move on to your face. The first cleanser that I use is CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. I use 2 cleansers, and this is the first one. Make sure that I get every little bit of my skin, rub it in real good, and then I rinse it out. And the next cleanser that I use is the Acne Control Cleanser. It's also from CeraVe. I do the same thing. Make sure I really get in there, really rub, give it a good rub, and then I rinse it out. So I use disposable facial towels instead of regular towel to wipe my face and dry my face. That has made a lot of difference in my skin routine, and it's better because you don't have to go back and use the same towel with the bacteria and things like that. So now we're done with cleaning. We're gonna use some good products to finish up, and I use a cotton rounds in order to apply my first product, and this is Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I use it as a toner and as an exfoliant. It really cleans out the remaining of the dirt in your skin. Even after you wash your face, you can still see a little bit of dirt remaining on your cotton rounds. So this is really, really good. I love it. It really helps me out with my skin routine. And you just gotta let it dry. And the next one that I use is a Snell 96 Mucin Power Essence Serum. I use it as my serum. Make sure that I rub it in everywhere in my skin. I do not get to my eyes, just the the remainder of my skin. Just make sure you don't get it into your eyes as well. You dab it, make sure it really absorbs in your skin, and you let it dry. A little bit of water going on here. Make sure you drink your water. Next, I use CeraVe moisturizer. This is PM, but I still use it, it's still good. This is a light moisturizer. I use a light moisturizer at first. I pass it on really everywhere, and I let it dry. Next, I use Aveeno Positively Radiant Gel. This is a heavier moisturizer. It really balances out my skin because the exfoliant tends to really dry your skin, but I think this one really balance it out and make sure that my skin is hydrated. And the last step is the sunscreen, and I use Bliss. It's perfect for me because every other one that I use, it makes my skin very oily. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye.